In this video, I'll help you fix this error that occurs while updating Windows. The error code is 0x80070643. It happens with both Windows 11 and Windows 10. I'll share 5 methods to completely fix this problem. So yeah, let's see how we can fix it. The first thing I would recommend you to do is simply restart your PC. At times, restarting a PC fixes a majority of the problems, so if you haven't already, please restart your PC and try to install the update. Maybe that can fix the problem. But yeah, even after restarting, if the problem is still there, open settings, head on to the update and security section and go to troubleshoot. Next up, press additional troubleshooters. Here, press Windows update and run the troubleshooter. Luckily, I don't have this problem on my PC, so I guess the troubleshooter won't respond with any solution. But if you have this problem, the troubleshooter might automatically fix or maybe give you a solution on how to fix this problem. For the next solution, press the Windows key and R and type services.msc. So as you can see, I've already typed it. It's services.msc. Press OK to run it up, and that's pretty much it. Now here you gotta locate background intelligent transfer service. If it's running, like in my case, I don't have, as I just said, I don't have that problem. So for me, it's running. What I'll do is restart the service, and if it says stopped here or stop or stopped or anything like that, you just gotta go here and press the start button. As you can see, let me zoom in a bit. So as you can see, I have stop here, but if it's stopped here under the status, you should see the start button. So basically start the service, and if it's already running, I would highly recommend you to restart the service. It can easily fix the problem, and the name of this service is Background Intelligent Transfer Service. On the same page, scroll down a bit until you locate Windows Update. So let's scroll down a bit, and here you can see it's somewhat almost at the end of this page. So yeah, you can see Windows Update right here. Once again, if it's running, restart it. If it's stopped, start it. Simple as that. This will definitely fix your problem. The last thing you can do is basically resize the recovery partition. I will leave a link to an article that can help you resize the recovery partition. So follow all these steps that I'm showing on the screen right now, and you should be good to go. This article is linked in the description of this video, so feel free to check it out. Once you resize the recovery partition, you will be able to install the Windows Update. What you can also do is wait for a few days for Microsoft to release a slightly better or improved version of Windows. So what you can do is basically pause your updates for a while, or just simply wait for Microsoft to release a new version, and when they do that, you can install the newly released version. That might also help you. But yeah, if this video helped you in any way, then feel free to drop a like. Take it easy, and I will see you soon. Goodbye, have a good one.